for optimal enjoyment. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion has a long mane. The lion eats meat. Elephant. The elephant is the largest animal in the jungle. The elephant has very large ears and a long trunk. The elephant's brain can weigh up to 5 kilograms. Monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. The monkey is a very intelligent animal. The monkey has a great ability to jump. Bear. The bear is a big animal. The bear eats fruits and roots from trees. The bear can run fast if it needs to. Tiger. The tiger has brown skin and spots. The tiger eats meat. The tiger is the largest feline in the world. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in the water. The crocodile has very hard skin. The crocodile can live up to 80 years. Hippo. The hippopotamus lives in the water most of the time. The hippopotamus grows throughout its whole life. The hippopotamus has a huge mouth. Giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck. The giraffe eats leaves. The giraffe is yellow with spots. Gorilla. The gorilla is part of the ape family. The gorilla moves around on 4 legs. The gorilla is very strong. Snake. The snake has a long body and no legs. The snake can move very fast. The snake changes its skin when it grows. seahorse. The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position. Crab. The crab has many legs and 2 claws. The crab is a funny animal to look at, as it moves very quickly. The crab has a hard shell. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds. Swordfish. The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea. Starfish. The starfish is a strange animal that lives in the sea and is star-shaped. The starfish can be of different colors. The starfish looks like a plant, but it's an animal. Blowfish. The blowfish swells by drinking water or air when it's attacked. The blowfish is highly toxic to almost any animal that eats it. The blowfish is blue. Octopus. The octopus is an animal that lives in the sea and has 8 arms. The octopus has a very sticky skin. The octopus has 3 hearts. Stingray. Stingray. The stingray usually lives near the coast. The stingray tends to blend with the sand. Shark. The shark is a very big and strong animal that lives in the sea. The shark has a flap on top of it. The shark has many big and sharp teeth in his mouth. The sea turtle. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. Owl. The owl is a bird that flies at night. The owl is a bird that can turn its head all over in surprising ways. The owl has exceptional vision. That's why it hunts at night. Woodpecker. The woodpecker has a strong beak that can make a hole in a tree. The woodpecker eats insects, worms, and larvae. The woodpecker has a bright orange, purple, and green plumage. Beaver. The beaver is an aquatic animal. The beaver eats barks, branches, and tree leaves. The beaver is the world's second largest rodent. Deer. The deer is a brown animal with soft hair who lives in the woods. The deer has thin legs, halved hooves, and a long neck. The male deer has big horns. Koala. The koala is an animal that lives in trees and carries out their activities at night. The koala sleeps 20 hours a day. The koala eats mainly leaves. Raccoon. The raccoon is an animal that lives in the forest, near rivers. The raccoon eats frogs and fruits, a varied diet. The raccoon has gray hair with black stripes on its tail. Bat. The bat is the only mammal capable of flight. The bat sleeps by hanging from trees or rocks. The bat flies mostly at night. Panda. The panda is a white bear with black stripes. The panda eats bamboo plants. The panda is a solitary and peaceful animal. Skunk. The skunk is a small animal that's black and white. The skunk, when threatened, emits a strong foul odor. The skunk eats eggs, fruits, and small animals. Fox. The fox is an animal that looks like a small dog. The fox has a thin muzzle and a bushy tail. The fox is a solitary animal.